Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove your acrylic nails at home. It's pretty easy. These are the supplies that you would need. It's some pure acetone. You can either get that from a Walmart or your beauty supply store. You're going to need some cotton balls. You're going to need a nail file, some aluminum foil, and also a fingernail clipper. So first we're going to take the acetone and some foil and the cotton ball. You really want to drench the cotton ball with as much product as possible. Then you want to cover your nails with the foil and the cotton ball and let it sit there for about 30 minutes. I do 30 minutes at a time. And once you remove it, the acrylic should look really, gooey. So right there where you see it should look really gooey. It should just come right off if it's ready to come off. If not, you want to repeat that step, and I'm going to show you guys how you do that again. So right here I'm just removing any acrylic debris. Sometimes you're going to have to use the clippers if it's like a little piece still stuck up there. But later on in the video you'll see me buffing out my nails and just removing any excess debris that was left over. So that hand is done. So now I'm going to just cut my nails down, because you want to cut them down before you add the foil and the cotton ball. So cut the tips down. And yes, these were just flying everywhere. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to repeat the same steps. So I'm going to take some foil, tear it up into little pieces, and basically drench the cotton ball, place them on my nails. Let them sit for 30 minutes. Repeat the same exact steps. The point of the foil is to warm the acetone and the cotton ball up. So the more foil you put, you might have to, layer it. It's the more heat that's going to the acetone on the acrylic, which is why you're able to remove it in the first place. So again, once you remove it after the 30 minutes, it should be, just come right off. It should be pretty, I want to say gooey, but not really gooey. It's almost like a gooey, mushy type of thing. And Once it's like that, it should just be able to just peel right off. If it doesn't do that, it's a chance that it's not pure, you know, acrylic that was used, or you didn't do it long enough. So I only do this on a full set. I never do this on refilled nails. I don't get my nails refilled. I only get full sets only. I find that refills are just too much on my nail. If you do get refills, it may be easier for you to, if you do get refills, it may be actually harder for you to, you know, or longer for you to take your nails off. So for the right hand, I had to actually do it again. So just going to repeat the same steps, leave it on for an additional 30 minutes. And then this should be my last time for that hand, and all the acrylic should come off. So now I'm removing the acrylic, and as you can see, it's coming right off. So all that excess debris, we're just going to file off, and I'm going to show you how I do that in a moment. Taking your nails off is a process. You're going to be filing and buffing and, you know, clipping any excess debris of the acrylic off your nails. So give yourself some time and just be patient, and it should come off. So as you can see, I'm just buffing all the excess acrylic off my nail. Just making my nails smooth, shaping them a little bit. So as you can see, my nails are nice and long and healthy. However, I'm just gonna clip them down anyway. So now that I'm done with the filing, I'm going to show you guys the product that I use for my nails after. So the vitamins help my nails grow and stay strong. So I always use those, and I'll leave a link for those down below. And the oil is just the Tarte Maracuja oil. And that's what I'm going to use to lubricate my cuticles and just, you know, rub it all over the nail bed. The nail vitamins do contain biotin oil. Biotin. So here my nails are nice and healthy. As you can see, here is the finished results. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.